Hello students, welcome back to our channel General Learnings. In this video, you are going to learn about parts of a plant. First, we will see the parts of a plant. Root, stem, flower, fruit, leaf, branch. So, these are the part of a plant. A plant is further divided into two major parts. One is root system and another one is shoot system. So the plant is divided into root system and shoot system. Now we will see what is root system. So the part of a plant that grows below the ground is called the root system, as we shown in this picture. So root system is what? The plant that grows below the ground will be called as a root system. The root system consists of roots which fix the plant to the soil. So using the roots, the plant is fixed into the soil. So root system means what? The plants that grow below the ground. Now we will see what is shoot system. The part of a plant that grows above the ground is called a shoot system, as we shown in this picture. So shoot system means what? Plant that grows above the ground is called shoot system. The shoot system consists of stem, branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. So plant is divided into two types. One is root system, another one is shoot system. Root system means what? The plants that grows below the ground. Whereas shoot system means the plant that grows above the ground. Now we will see about root. Root are the important underground part of a plant. For a plant, root is an important part of a plant. So the roots grow deep into the ground. The root also responsible for absorbing the essential nutrients and water from the soil. So root only absorbing their nutrients and water from the soil for the plant. Root are also used to store food. So root is also used to store food. Again, root is divided into two types. One is taproot and another one is fibrous root. So root is divided into taproot and fibrous root. First we will see what is taproot. So the taproot has one main root which grows from the base of a stem into the soil, as we shown in this picture. So the taproot has one main root which grow from the base of a stem into the soil. So many small roots grown from the main group. So many small roots grown from the main group. So the main root is the first root that appears from the seed. So the plants such as beans, carrot, balsam have taproot. Okay, so taproot means what? One main root which grown from the base of a stem. Now we will see what is fibrous root. So fibrous root is a bunch of small thin root that grow from the base of a stem. Okay, so fibrous root means what? Bunch of small thin roots, as we shown in this picture. So fibrous root is bunch of small thin roots. So which plant has fibrous root? So some plants like grass, paddy and wheat will have fibrous root. Okay, so root is divided into two types. One is taproot and another one is fibrous root. Now we will see the function of roots. So root helps the plant to remain fixed into the soil. So using root only the plant is remain fixed into the soil. We always learn like plant root absorb water, nutrition and minerals from the soil. Some roots store food. Okay. So these are the functions of roots. So the plants such as radish, carrot and beetroot store food in their roots. So radish, carrot and beetroot all store food in their roots. So we can eat root of such plants. Now we will see about stem. So the stem forms the main part of a shoot system as we learned previously. So stem only forms the main part of a shoot system. So using stems only it helps to keep the plant straight and erect. So stem help to keep the plant straight and erect. They are soft in young plants. The stem will be very soft in young plants. As they grow hard and strong, when plants grow into trees, they form the trunk. So, stem will be very soft in young plants as it become hard when plants grow into a tree. Then some of the stem will be very weak for like money plant, watermelon and grapevine have weak stem. Now we will see the function of stem as we learned previously. So stem helps the plant upright and gives support. So using stem only the plant is straight. Stem carries water, food and minerals to other parts of a plant. As root absorbs water, food and minerals and then stem carries these water, food and minerals to other parts of a plant. It has many branches that bear leaves, buds, fruits and flowers. So stem has many branches. Now we are going to see about leaf. So leaf are most important part of a plant. So as we all know, leaves are green in color. As leaves are flat, broad and thin. They will vary in sizes and shapes. So for each and every leaf there will be a different shapes and sizes. Now we are going to see about parts of a leaf. The part that connects the branch to the leaf is called leaf stalk. So the part that connects the branch to the leaf will be called as a leaf stalk. The flat and broad part of a leaf is called leaf blade. So leaf blade means what? The flat and broad part of a leaf will be called as a leaf blade. The line which is seen in the middle of the leaf will be called as a main vein or midrib. And then the line present on either side of a leaf of a main vein is called as a side vein. So, side vein means what? The line that present on either side of the main vein will be called as a side vein. So, these are the parts of a leaf. Now, we will see the function of a leaf. So, as we all know, so leaves are called the food factory or kitchen of a plant because they make food for the plant. So, leaves make food for the plant. So, for plants who is making a food, leaves only making food for the plant. So, only leaves are called the food factory or kitchen of a plant as they all make food for a plant. Then as we all know, leaves are green color. So, leaves have green colored substances called chlorophyll which helps to absorb sunlight. So, that green color substance only will absorb sunlight. So that will be called as an chlorophyll. So leaf prepares food. How we learned that leaves make food for plants. So how leaves are making food? Using air, water and sunlight. So this process is called photosynthesis. So leaf prepare food using air, water and sunlight. This process will be called as an photosynthesis. There are a tiny opening on the upper side of a leaf called stomata. So, there will be a tiny opening on the upper side of a leaf that will be called as an stomata. So, this stomata will help the plant to breathe. Okay, so we all know what are the functions of a leaf. So leaves make food for a plant. So only leaves will be called as a food factory of a plant. So as we all know, leaves are green in color. So that green color substances will be called as a chlorophyll. So using that green color substance only, it will absorb sunlight. So using that sunlight, air and water, the leaves prepare food. This process is called photosynthesis. So there are a tiny opening on the upper side of your leaves that will be called as an stomata. So which that will help the plant to breathe. Now we are going to see about flowers. So most plants bear flowers. We all know that most plants will bear flowers. But the flowers can vary in color, shape, size and smell. Flowers blossom from bud. How flowers will come? The flowers will blossom from buds. But the flowers may be single or appear in bunches. Okay. As we all know, flowers have various colors, shapes, size and smells. So most of the plants will have flowers. So flowers blossom from buds. The flowers may be a single flower or it will be a bunch of flowers. Now we are going to see about the function of flowers. So most flowers become fruits which contain one or more seeds. So, most flowers will become fruits which contain one or more seeds. That seeds help the plant to reproduce. Okay, most of the flowers will have seeds. So, that seeds will help the plant to reproduce. So, some of the flowers that we can eat like cauliflower and broccoli or that flowers that we can eat. So what is the function of your flowers? The flowers will have a seed, means one or many seeds. So that seeds will help the plant to reproduce. Some flowers like cauliflower, broccoli, we can eat them. Now we will see about fruits and seeds. So many plants, new plants grow from seeds. Okay, so new plants, how we are getting the new plants? The new plants grow from seeds. A seed has a baby plant inside it which grow into a new plants. As we have tell, new plants grow from a seed. How it will grow? Because every seed has a baby plant inside it which grows into a new plant. Some fruits have only one seeds, while some have few more seeds and some have many seeds. So some fruit has only one seeds. For example, watermelon has many seeds, whereas orange has only few number of seeds, whereas mango has only one seed. Okay, so every new plant has a baby plant that will grow into a new plant. Now we will see the function of fruits and seeds. A seed stores food for a baby plant. Okay, so every seed has a baby plant inside it. So that seed will store food for that baby plant. We eat fruits of many plants. As we all know, we eat fruits of many plants. We eat some seeds like bean, corn and rice. So some of the seeds can be eaten like bean, corn and rice. Seeds of rice, wheat and maize are called cereals. So some seeds like rice, wheat and maize will be called as an cereals. Seeds of gram chickpeas are called pulses. So seed of gram chickpeas are called pulses. So these cereals and pulses form an important part of our diet. Okay students, I hope you understand the very detailed about the parts of a plant.
Thanks for watching. If you want more videos like this, please go and visit my YouTube channel at General Learnings 91. Thank you.